This is a fish that loves to collect rocks. Their daily job is to collect all kinds of rocks. The males are very busy during the breeding season, and they use the rocks to attract the females. In the current, the male collects stones over and over again. Thanks to his efforts, a mansion has been built here. But so many rocks have attracted the attention of other males. He must keep the intruders away. Now it's time to get back to work. The female will be here soon. With the males working hard, this marvelous structure is finally complete.